Hi, today also I'm Papa lesson why important technical SEO and what is technical SEO and how to do. After what is technical? Technical SEO means improve your technical site like any search engine like Google, ChatGPT, then Bing, DuckDuckGo. These types of Google crawler are come your website, then index your pages, then your all pages are show their search result. That's called our index your page and come crawler. And why important technical, so like you are not understand what is technical of, I'll show the example. Like you have a one grocery shop and your shop has a lots of product, but your shop is shut down. Then how your customer come your shop then buy something, then you need to open your shop, then your customer come your shop, then you are sell your product. That's why you need to index our pages in these are part of the most technical. And after that show the search result and we are get traffic, leads and impressions. Now I am go to the Google search console. Google search console is our enter your search, then verification honors. After that input your URL, then index your pages, then show the search result. Now I'm go to the Google search console, click and now I'm type this search console and click Google search console. Then I show start now, click start now. Then I show the after that you are new, then show the this section, but I am old, this show this other section, but you are new. When you are new, then I show the this section. I'm go to the URL prefix, click here and put my URL and then click continue. When I put this URL, then I show now honor my verifications. Now I'm scroll down, click HTML tag, then copy this URL, then go to the WordPress dashboard. But you are using Wix, Squarespace, Laravel, Shopify, then your site pages automatically index because it's are manually. But WordPress is the basically I'm using WordPress, that's why I'm show this. Now I'm go to the WordPress dashboard, click appearance, then click theme file builder. Okay, now scroll down and error show sidebar is style.css. Error show my error section. Click error.php. Scroll down. Then error show our error section. This error section is click this section and then click enter and control B and then this URL. Now put my these sections, this section. Basically I am before times previous time I was put my URL, that's why something you look some changes, but you are new. Then this time you will show the save section. Click save section, then automatically ownership your verifications. After that show this search result, these steps. After that you are looking like your website is indexed like 1 or 2 days after you are show this overview. Now you can ask me how to index my pages. First of all, go to your dashboard, then go to your site. Okay, this is my site. Like I want to index my on page SEO site. Click on page SEO. Like these pages I want to index in Google search result. Then go to the preference, then click URL inspections. Click URL inspections, enter your URL, page URL, click enter, and now click request indexing. I'm now click request and indexing.
That did that right there. Just all built. Just toss tape, right? So I need to. I give us a day for this. I think the film. You're doing some talking. People, it's nothing.
Okay, my website is indexing request successfully. Like after 24 hours or 1 or 2 days after Google come my website, then coding my website. After that index my pages and show my page in Google search result. And I hope you can understand how to do technical and what is technical and how to index your page in Google search console. Now I am go to the sitemap part. And now you cannot understand, but following classes I am show what is sitemap, what is HTTPS, code of vitals, removals, pages, and then links, achievements, and security and manual actions.